Your PC is slow. Do this now. Open Task Manager. You can right click on your desktop and select Task Manager. Now go to Startups. Then disable any app that you don't want. You can disable any apps that you don't want. Now close it. After that, press Windows R and write temp and hit enter. It says you need permission to enter. Just say continue. Now once you get it, select all of them by holding on Control A and hit the delete. Once it's done, sorry, this one I've opened the website. Once it's done, just close it, restart your machine. Boom, your PC is fast now. Your PC is low. Follow for more hacks. Thank you for watching.